Next is how we can contribute towards this reducing the plastic pollution. Plastic waste is our problem too, so we need to shed our dependence on the plastic. We should realize that though plastic make our life simple and cleaner, they are the menace in disguise. Menace in disguise means they have a lot of disadvantages. So we can do some simple things that how we can reduce the pollution, plastic pollution. These are the various steps that you have to remember, that always reuse the polythene bags. While going for a shopping, carry your jute or cotton bag from your home to keep the things. Reuse the plastic container at home. For example, food container can be used as a small pots. Again and again food containers can be used. Do not throw the plastic litter on the streets. Keep the separate dustbins for biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Never throw the waste food in the polythene bags. It will end up in some animal stomach, because animal will eat that food, and along with it polythene bag it will also eat, so that will cause the death of that particular animal. Stop others from littering and encourage them to recycle. It means always encourage yourself and your society members to recycle the plastic items again and again. Try to follow the 3 R's principle that is followed so as to reduce the plastic pollution. That 3R principle is reduce the use of it, reuse the use of it, and recycle it again and again. Is it clear? Here the image 3.12 illustrates the reduce, reuse and recycling of the plastic items again and again. That how the one bottle cap is used to keep your pen stand is made, to keep your pens, markers, how it is used for decoration purposes. Here are the good images that are shown in your book. So in this way you can reduce the use of plastic. If we continue to careless with our use of plastic, soon our planet will be covered with plastic object and there is no space to dispose them of. So this last paragraph tells us that the plastic, if we don't use it carefully, then there is no space to dispose them of, and we should suffer it from lot. Is it clear that what is plastic and how we can reduce the plastic pollution?